Assalamu alaikum. Hope that you all doing it. I'm Usman by the grace of Almighty. So today we're going to enjoy a very nice conversation between two students. One of
Fatima.
Fatima. In which class are you reading?
5.
Okay. And you?
6.
Six. Class six. What's your name?
My name is Muksita.
Okay. So you are studying in class five and you are studying in class six. Okay, very good. So please carry on your conversation.
Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam. What's your name? My name is Fatima. What's your name? My name is Muksita. Where are you from? I'm from Jamalpur. Where are you from? I'm from Jamalpur too. Are you a student? Yes, I'm a student. And you? I'm a student too. Which class do you study? I study in class 6. Which class do you study? I study in class 5. What is the name of your madrasa? The name of my madrasa is Tamil Millat Tamil Madrasa. Do you study in this madrasa too? Yeah. Okay. How many members do you have in your family? I have 6 members in my family. How many members do you have? I have 7 members in my family. What's your father's name? My father's name is MD Sharif. And what's your father's name? My father's name is Shijaundola. What does your father do? My father is an engineer. And what does your father do? My father is an engineer too. What's your mother's name? My mother's name is Tanya Akhtar. And what's your mother's name? My mother's name is Shima Akhtar. What does your mother do? My mother is a housewife. And what does your mother do? My mother is a housewife too. Are you in the joint family? No, we are a nuclear family. Are you in the joint family? No, we are a nuclear family too. How many siblings are you? We are 3 siblings. How many siblings are you? We are 5 siblings. Are your grandparents alive? My grandfather is dead and my grandmother is alive. And you? My grandparents are alive. Who is the earning person of your family? My father is the earning person of my family. Who is the earning person of your family? My father is the earning person of my family too. Who is the favorite person in your family? My mother is the favorite person in my family. Who is the favorite person in your family? My mother is the favorite person in my family too. Are you happy with your family? Yes, I am happy. And you? I'm happy too. What's your hobby? My hobby is traveling new places. And what's your hobby? My hobby is traveling new places too. What's your ambition? My ambition is to be a doctor. And what's your ambition? My ambition is to be an idol teacher. Okay, speak to you soon. Have a good day. Goodbye. Okay, have a good day too. See you soon. Goodbye.